In this video, I will show you how to delete a domain from Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is log into your Cloudflare account. And once you're logged in, I want you to find the domain that you want to delete and enter into the domain. Once you're in that domain, scroll down to DNS, click on this arrow, go to settings, and ensure that DNSSEC is disabled. Once it's disabled, this is how it's going to look like. Then from here, you're going to go back to overview, and in overview you're going to scroll down. On the right, the sidebar on the right, you're going to see advanced actions. In advanced actions, you're going to click remove from Cloudflare, and to remove from Cloudflare, it's going to ask you to type in the name of the domain, and once you click that and you click on remove, it's going to remove the domain from Cloudflare. And that's how you delete a domain from Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.